Ladies and gentlemen, what you will witness now is a VBSS operation. The white-hulled passenger ferry Neelam is approaching from the right-hand side. It is simulating a vessel which has been hijacked by pirates, and hence the naval units have been pressed into action. The boarding operation begins with issuing of verbal warnings to the hijacked vessel. INS Cabra is commanded by Commander S.K. Singh. Ladies and gentlemen, the naval helicopter Chetak approaching the hijacked vessel is simulating an armed helicopter in cabin gunning role to provide air cover. Ladies and gentlemen, you can now see the VBSS teams closing in the hijacked vessel ahead of us. Their boats are fitted with 7.62 mm medium machine guns. Ladies and gentlemen, the hijacked vessel Neelam is now being boarded. After boarding, the VBSS teams will be conducting a search and seizure operation on board. Each member of the crew will be rounded up and mustered at a suitable location. VBSS teams generally use telescopic ladders to board large vessels which have a freeboard of up to 10 to 12 meters at sea. The vessel is being searched thoroughly for the presence of any contraband item, and all documents and cargo of the vessel will also be checked for their validity and correctness by designated members of the team. Each member of the crew is now rounded up and mustered at the suitable location. Ladies and gentlemen, the boarding team has successfully captured the pirates. The vessel has been searched thoroughly and validity of documents has been ascertained. Ladies and gentlemen, what you see in front of you is a mock explosive ordnance exposal drill. Ladies and gentlemen, in front of you is the bomb disposal technician from the Command Clearance Diving Team, Kochi. The bomb disposal technicians from the Indian Navy are all qualified clearance divers and capable of undertaking bomb disposal at sea too. The explosive ordnance disposal team of the Indian Navy uses a highly trained explosive detection dog to ascertain the presence of explosive material. The success of a bomb disposal technician using sophisticated equipments is merely 48%. However, if the ED dog and bomb disposal technician are utilized in conjunction, the success rate jumps to 98%. Post confirmation of the existence of an explosive, the explosive is to be shifted inside an explosive containment vehicle with the help of a remotely operated vehicle that you see in front of you now. Ladies and gentlemen, the remotely operated vehicle is shifting the explosive into the explosive containment vehicle that you see towards your right. The explosive containment vehicle itself is a specialized vehicle which is remotely driven and has the capability to handle charges in excess of 10 kilograms.
अब हमारे पास बहुमुखी उन्नत हल्के ध्रुव हेलीकॉप्टर द्वारा एक हेलोबैटिक्स डिस्प्ले है, जो कि एक मल्टी इंजन एयरक्राफ्ट है। इस हेलीकॉप्टर के पायलट कमांडर अजय यादव हैं। यह ALH हेलीकॉप्टर क्विक स्टॉप, स्पॉट टर्न, स्पाइरल अपराइट जैसे प्रसिद्ध युद्ध अभ्यास का प्रदर्शन करेगा।
Ladies and gentlemen, the aircraft is executing a sharp pitch maneuver and a tight turn on either side of the display box. This showcases the aircraft's agility and quick response. Ladies and gentlemen, the ALH. The ALH is now following up its maneuver by a hard right turn to return to the center and execute a quick stop, which involves bringing a speeding aircraft to a quick halt. The aircraft will now face the dais and carry out left and right sideward movement followed by a spot turn. Ladies and gentlemen, the helicopter is doing a spiral up right, wherein the helicopter gains height as it turns. A smart dip and salute to the Supreme Commander, and the aircraft will turn right and execute a steep nose-down single getaway. Ladies and gentlemen, you can now see flying in from your right is a Sea King helicopter, also known as the Flying Frigate. Following the Indo-Pakistani War of 1965, Pakistan invested heavily in modern submarines and torpedoes. In response, India opted to procure 6 Sea Kings from Britain in 1969 for ASW duties designated as 42 Bravo. As you can see, the helicopter is taking position to lower her sonar, known as dunking sonar, for locating subsurface targets. Ladies and gentlemen, you can now see the Sea King 42 Bravo hovering close to the surface and dunking her sonar to simulate how an anti-submarine warfare search is undertaken from a rotary air platform. This operation requires an extremely proficient maneuvering by the pilot, at the same time is evidence to the agility and responsiveness of the helicopter.
सेल प्रशिक्षण जहाज अपने वैभव का प्रदर्शन करने के लिए अपनी शानदार पालों को फहराकर अब आपके सामने आ रही हैं। देवियों और सज्जनों, अब मैं आपका ध्यान भारतीय नौसेना के पाल प्रशिक्षण जहाजों में से एक भारतीय नौसेना पोत तरंगिनी की ओर आकर्षित करता हूं, जो दाहिनी ओर से हमारे सामने आ रही है। जहाज हमारे राष्ट्रीय ध्वज और युद्ध चिन्ह को प्रदर्शित कर रही है। जहाज की कमान कमांडर यतीश बड़ोतिया के हाथों में है। नौसेना के युवा अफसर राष्ट्रपति के सम्मान में मैनिंग द मास्ट का प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं। भारतीय नौसेना पोत तरंगिनी 23 जनवरी 2006 से 25 अप्रैल 2007 तक दुनिया की परिक्रमा करने वाला भारतीय नौसेना का पहला जहाज है। इस जहाज ने 2005 से कई लोकायान में भाग लिया है और विभिन्न अंतर्राष्ट्रीय आयोजनों में भारत का ध्वजवाहक रहा है।
Tarangini is a part of the 1st Training Squadron of the Indian Navy. Its primary aim is to impart sail training to the cadets of 1st Training Squadron. It also imparts sail training to the cadets of National Defence Academy, Indian Naval Academy and National Cadet Corps. The sail ship provides a sound grounding in basic seamanship. The main value for sail training in this era of information age lies in its unique ability to foster the virtue of courage, camaraderie, esprit de corps and endurance, which are the necessary ingredients to build a strong character. Sailship is an ideal platform to provide the first-hand experience of the ferocious powers of the sea to the trainees embarking on a naval career. All sail maneuvers require a clear understanding of the basic elements of the marine environment, which are wind, sea and weather.
Ladies and gentlemen, approaching from your right, you will see a Sea King helicopter demonstrating its cargo lift capability. The lift and hover capability of helicopters is an invaluable asset during natural disasters such as floods and earthquakes. The skill set demonstrated by the Sea King helicopter have proven to be instrumental in various naval HATR operations. The aircraft that you see belongs to the Indian Naval Air Squadron 336, popularly called Flaming Arrows.